Hi, I'm Adrian, and in this video we're going to look at how VAT works in Cademy. So if I go into settings under payments, you'll see an option for VAT and tax rate, and you'll see that by default it's disabled. So VAT is disabled out of the box when you create an account in Cademy, and that means that when you list a course for £100, it's going to be listed on the customer side as £100 as well, and there's not going to be any mention of VAT whatsoever. So if I want to show a breakdown of VAT, I can enable this and then I can save. And what's going to happen now when I go and create a course, if I go in and create a new course, example, if I scroll down, you'll see what that was going to look like from the customer side. So if I put in, to keep the math simple, £100, you'll see that if I click here, the price that I will list it is £100, and then I will collect £16 worth of VAT. So from the customer side, if I save this course, let me go in and add a date, save. Let's take a look at what it looks like from the customer side. You'll see that it says £100, which includes VAT. And when I book it, it says the price is £100, VAT is £16. So it's calculated based on the end price that you put in when you create your course. It's as simple as that. On the receipts, it's going to show you just similar to this. And in the admin, when somebody purchases, and on the exports, it's going to show separately as part of the £100 price in this case. So if I go into settings as well, there's a second option that I'd like to mention under payments VAT. You'll see that you have an option to show the VAT separately as price plus VAT. What that means is that if I save this and list my course as £100, you see that the course price is still listed as £100. The actual sale price will not be £100, but it will be £120. So if I refresh this page, you'll see that it says actually £100 plus VAT. And then if I click to book, you'll see that it says £100 for the price, then VAT, it's £20, and the final price is £120. So you can see that this allows you to list VAT separately from the main price of the course. And for a lot of business customers, this is the preferred way to list their price. Rather than list the total including VAT, list just the amount plus VAT, and then it's kind of broken down in the final stage of the checkout process. You have control over that process, and you can do that through settings, again, payments, VAT and tax rate, this little toggle here. This is off by default, but you have an option over that. So you can also control what shows up on the invoices and on the receipts here, so keep note of that. If you want to add extra details about your business, this is the place to do it. All right. If you have any questions, as always, use the live chat option at the bottom. And in the meantime, thank you for watching.